Hindi ka ba makatulog ng maayos? Yung kahit ilang oras ka ng tulog, paggising mo is pagod ka pa rin. Lagi ka bang stressed sa trabaho o sa bahay? At napapansin mo bang namamaga na yung mukha mo, lumalaki ang tiyan mo, at parang bumabagal ang metabolism mo kahit wala ka naman binabago sa pagkain mo? Gusto mo bang ma-regain ang energy at glow mo? Yung parang mas bata ka ulit? Hi, ako nga pala si Dr. Eileen, and in the next few minutes, I'm gonna share with you kung paano ko natulungan ang mga pasyente kong hirap sa pagtulog, stress, low energy, bloating, at yung feeling na kahit anong gawin mo, parang hindi ka nag-glow. At eto pa, hindi sila nagpipills, hindi lumalaklak ng kape, at hindi kailangan ng detox teas or collagen drinks araw-araw. I'm also gonna share with you how you can avoid fatigue, hormonal imbalance, and stress-related weight gain without drastically changing your lifestyle. Like most women today, common na ma-experience yung pagod kahit kakagising pa lang, yung parang laging may bigat sa tiyan, yung mukha na parang puyat kahit nakatulog naman, and that constant overthinking before bed. Madalas pa nga, kahit retired na or stay at home ka na, taas pa rin ng stress levels mo kahit wala ka naman ginagawa. Let me share with you a story. May pasyente akong si Lara, 32 taong gulang, corporate professional, palaging on the go, achiever, independent. Pero sa totoo lang, every morning pagtitingin siya sa salamin, ang unang napapansin niya, namamaga ang mukha niya. At kahit mag-collagen, mag-gym, or mag-juice cleanse, wala pa rin pagbabago. Sabi niya sa akin, "Doc, bakit ganon? Ang dami ko nang sinubukan pero parang laging pagod at bloated pa rin ako." So I started digging deeper. I realized it's not about what she eats, it's what her body is doing inside. You see, when your body is under constant stress, it releases a hormone called cortisol. Cortisol ang stress hormone na responsible sa maraming bagay. Kapag sobra ito, your body starts to hold on to fat, water, and tension. Kaya kahit healthy ka, you still feel bloated, puffy, and tired. That's when I said to myself, there has to be a better way. Ayoko nang makita ang mga babae na parang ginagawa na lahat pero walang resulta. So, I started studying adaptogens, natural plant compounds that help the body lower cortisol and restore balance. And doon ko natuklasan ang formula that changed everything. After months of research in collaboration with nutrition experts, we formulated the Calm Glow Complex, a blend of ashwagandha, magnesium glycinate, L-theanine, and vitamin D3 na tumutulong magpababa ng cortisol levels, i-relax ang mind, at ibalik ang natural calm and glow ng katawan. And that became Avella Daily Calm. Marami na ang nakaramdam ng amazing benefits ni Avella Daily Calm and hindi nila mapigilang i-share sa amin. Meet Mika, 38 years old.
After 1 week of Avella, I noticed lighter mornings. Yung puffiness sa face ko nawala. Mas kalmado na rin ako. Bago matulog,
Ophelia, 44 years old.
Ang hindi nagawa ng collagen drink in 3 months, nagawa ng Avella in just 2 weeks.
Joanne, 30 years old.
After 10 days, hindi na ako madaling mapagod. Parang gumaan katawan ko at nag-glow ulit yung skin ko.
With all these results, I feel I have an obligation to share it with more women. Fast forward, and dito na kami ngayon sharing this life-changing discovery para ikaw naman ang susunod na matulungan namin. Now you might be wondering, magkano? Kung i-compare natin si Avella Daily Calm sa other alternatives like adaptogen capsules or collagen drinks, nagra-range yan from 3,000 hanggang 10,000 piso kada buwan. Pero dahil goal talaga namin na matulungan ka, hindi namin ito i-offer ng 5,000 piso. Hindi rin 2,000 piso. You can try Avella Daily Calm today for only 999 per pack, 10 sachets. Or get the 2-pack bundle for 1,499 pesos. Save 499 pesos. Or go for the 3-pack bundle for 1,999 pesos with free shipping nationwide. And now let me ask you this. Kung kaya mong bawasan ng stress mo, makatulog ng mahimbing, magising ng magaan, at makitang bumabalik ang glow mo sa salamin, magkano ang worth niyan sa'yo? If you could feel 5 to 10 years younger na walang bloating, walang puffiness, at may kalmado kang energy buong araw, isn't that worth more than 999 pesos? But here's the good news. Recently, nag-open kami ng Avella Calm Club, exclusive for loyal customers only. Members get lifetime discount, early access to new blends, and free wellness ebooks. Habang available pa tong page na to, you can join the Avella Calm Club and lock in your discounted price today. Pero take note, we produce Avella in small batches only. Because we use premium imported ashwagandha and magnesium, once this batch sells out, it will take weeks before we restock. Kaya habang available pa tong page na to, click the button below, fill out your details, and we'll ship your Avella Daily Calm right to your door. Alam kong marami ka nang nasubukan dati, collagen drinks, teas, vitamins, lahat. At alam ko rin yung feeling na parang walang epekto. That's why we want you to be the one to decide if it really works. Try Avella Daily Calm for 10 days. Kung hindi mo maramdaman ang pagbabago, in your sleep, mood, or energy, we'll refund 100% of your payment kahit ubos na ang sachets. No questions asked. And if you order in the next 5 minutes, we'll give you these bonuses for free, worth 8,499 pesos. Free shipping nationwide ebook, How to Calm Your Body and Reset Your Hormones. Ebook, Sleep Better, Stress Less. Ebook, The 7-Day Glow Routine for Busy Women. All these bonuses absolutely free when you order your first pack of Avella Daily Calm today. So click the button below now, try it, and thank me later.